Hello everyone, welcome you all for today's session. Today we are going to see about sharing life experience, turning point in our life, Satori. This was presented by myself, Tamare Chelvi, Assistant Professor, Department of English, JJ College of Engineering and Technology. Now we going to see about art of speaking. For giving any speech, we need art of speaking or speaking skills. There are 7 major skills. First one, clarity. Clarity means giving speech in concise and in clear words. Confidence. Whenever you speak, you have to speak confidence. Whenever you are speaking, you have to maintain a body language. You have to maintain a good body language. That should be you have to stand straight, give a slight smile, and have eye contact with audience. Then only you can connect with the people. Next one, voice modulation. Whenever you are speaking with audience, you have to give variation of your voice. You can use different pitch to reach the audience. Then only it will make an interest among the people. Next one, preparation. Think before you speak. So, whenever you are going to speak, you have to organize your speech before you deliver. Next one, seeking feedback. After delivering a speech, you have to ask your friends or mentor about your speak, how you have done, how can you improve about your skills. Next one, embrace challenges. Whenever you get an opportunity, you have to use and utilize it. Then only you can develop yourself. Next one, recounting the life experience. Recounting the life experience means remembering our life experience. How we can remember our life experience, how we can organize our life experience. Whenever we are going to share our life experience, we have to answer 6 major questions. First one, when it happened, what happened, where it happened, how you felt at the time, what we learned from our experience, grateful for that memories. Next, we move to what it happened. When you are preparing the speech on life experience, first you have to prepare when it happened. You have to recall the life experience when it happened. You can use the phrases like, one of the most unforgettable moments in my life was my first stage speech. I clearly remember the day when I was giving the speech on the stage in front of the whole school. One memory that has stayed with me is celebrating my birthday with my parents. I still vividly remember how nervous I felt when that time. It happened when I was young. I will never forget the time when I used to be happy with my friends. Next, we move to what happened. You can use the expression like, suddenly, to my surprise, as the situation unfolded, I realized that despite the challenges, I decided to this experience tested mine. For example, suddenly my teacher asked me to give speech in front of the whole school. To my surprise, I managed to do it well. As the situation unfolded, I become confident. I realized that I can do well. Despite the challenges, I used to manage done it well. I decided to practice more. This experience tested my knowledge and courage. On next topic, where it happened. You can use the phrases like at that time, it was during the event took place in it. I was surrounded by everything seemed normal until. For example, at that time I was studying 10th standard. It was during my first year of college. The event took place in my house. I was surrounded by my classmates. Everything seemed normal until I reached that place. Like that, you can use the sentences. Next, how you felt at the time. In your speech, you have to include these questions and how you are going to answer. How you felt at the time. I felt nervous at first. I was excited and hopeful. I felt grateful for the support and I received. It was both challenging and rewarding. How you feel at that situation. Now you are going to express your emotions. I felt nervous at first, but I managed to do it well. I was excited and hopeful to begin my new job. I felt grateful for the support I received from my friends and family. It was both challenging and rewarding, but it helpful to develop my skills. Next topic, what we learned from our experience. We can use the phrases like, that experience changed the way I think. It taught me an important lesson about. It inspired me to become. It gave me the confidence to. Since then, I have approached challenges differently. For example, the experience changed the way I think about that situation. It taught me an important lesson about my life. It inspired me to become more responsible and courageous. It gave me the confidence to face the situation without any fear. Since then, I have approached the challenges differently. I am able to talk and manage to plan everything and face without fear. Next topic, grateful for memories. Looking back, I am grateful for that experience. I remains one of the most meaningful memories of my life. I will always cherish that moment. The lessons I learned continue to guide me today. It was turning point that shaped my future. For example, looking back, I am grateful for that experience. I can cherish for whole life. It remains one of the most meaningful memories of my life. I can often remember with happiness. I will always cherish that moment that helped me to grow well. The lessons I learned continue to guide me today to take decisions well in my life. It was turning point that shaped my future and give determination to face everything. With this sixth question, we can form a speech and we can arrange the speech. Now I am going to share my experience. One of my unforgettable memories was my first seminar presentation in my college. It happened during my second year of college. It was conducted in my department. At first I felt nervous, but later I managed to do it well. After that, I realized that confidence comes through practice. Now I realize that I am gratitude to that memory because it made me stronger and believer. So through every experience, whether it is good or bad, teach us something. So live the moment. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.